Okay, today we're gonna start on the second part of the restoring the 240.
Yeah.
The first part was fun. Somebody brought up a point and they were like, why don't you just remove the paint with like paint remover?
The point is not to remove the paint. The point is to get everything nice and smooth and beautiful for vinyl to go on.
Kat's here today. Maybe she can help us.
Yeah, we just gotta keep her around so people stop commenting that I'm gay.
All right, I think I'm also gonna strap this GoPro, if it ever stops formatting, back onto my chest. I got this chest mount, which is better than the last one I used. We also have 1/4 panel to sand on the 240, so we're gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna start this thing up, bring it over here.
I think you should sand that because you're wearing black and I made a very bad decision today. Man, this thing's so cool. I can't wait for this to be beautiful. It's so easy to forget how sick this car is just because of how shitty it's been. Like, yeah, how bad it's looked. But this thing's fucking awesome. Oh, I think...
See that thing? It's like
oh,
a
yeah.
hummingbird.
What the... Oh, no, it's a... What's it called? A wasp? Hornet thing? I don't know. It's just hovering. Hopefully it doesn't attack me. Is it still in the same spot? Yeah, there it is.
It looks like a hummingbird, but it's a bug.
It's a hummingbug.
I think it's a bee.
Did she just float in there?
Because bees can do that.
We're a nature channel now.
Why is he in there? Get out of there!
He loves the chooches, man. He's there for the Jay-Z.
God dare your ass.
Quentin says the bee's doing weird things with his hands, making him uneasy.
I'm just gonna pop these bad boys out real quick.
Nice. Cat out here putting a scrub in. How's that scrub?
Scrubbing.
Quentin's almost done with this fender. Yeah, and then we're completely done sanding after that, aside from that one little chunk of the side skirt. And then we get to fiberglass repair and Bondo shit. Oh, and we also dug this out. We might go over the front bash bar and get all the rust off of it. All right, so Kat and I just finished this chunk. That chunk's done. How's she going?
Pretty good.
Alright, Quenchman calls it good. So
We're done sanding.
yeah, well, we're done sanding this. We still need to sand the Bondo stuff, but I think we have enough sandpaper for that. Now the tricky part, the scary part, we try to make shit fit back together. So these
I
little...
wonder if we should not start with this then, because I feel like by the end of this we'll be more seasoned. And
Oh
more
yeah,
capable to...
true. That's a really good point. So the first thing we got to do then is, I guess we'll start with the small cracks and holes in the fenders.
Yeah, there's a bunch on the rear over fenders.
Okay.
This one's a little fucked up.
So yeah, I got a pretty good crack there and there.
Big old crack here.
That's pretty much it.
Probably all we're really worried about.
Yeah, so just lay some fiberglass on the back of it and then Bondo it.
Yeah. All right, we've become masters since the last time we did this.
Absolute master.
We read all the YouTube comments, so I would consider ourselves pretty seasoned by now.
Ooh, that sound's giving me fucking tinglies in my
ASMR, dude.
spine, dude.
All right, so last time we did it, we just slapped it on there and then covered it in resin. Apparently you're supposed to put resin down first so it sticks on there. Nice. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. Probably just the resin, no hardener.
You think?
I don't know. Yeah, it was like a bunch and then a couple drops. That was the ratio. It smells good. It's gonna be lifted already. Okay, it might break edge today. Yeah, we really should get a brush of some sort. See, that's the other thing is like, it doesn't hold its shape on its own. So we kind of probably have to like hold it in place until it starts hardening. If you ever wondered what expertise looks like,
This is it.
yummy. It actually does look delicious. Probably put another slam of fibromyalgia on that. It appears to disappear.
Yep. That's what we've learned. Okay, there's a box of latex gloves in a box right when you open the garage.
What up, Josh?
Need it.
Fiberglassing.
If we had a clamp, we could clamp this
Yeah.
right here together.
Oh, what a clamp. What a clamp, what a clamp, what a clamp.
So I guess we let that sit and we'll move on to the next one.
Oh, yeah. All right, what's the strat with a wang? Because like I've seen people like fiberglass the surface and then sand back the fiberglass, but I feel like I don't know enough about how this works to do that properly. And obviously I have to wait for it to harden to do that. I don't really know.
Maybe we'll wait on the wing. Let's fucking start on the side skirt.
Skirt. All right, skipping straight to the spicy mamas. Yo, I'm the genius with a penis. Cat's the genius without a penis. Get that younger Jay.
Take my rigidity.
Take my rigidity. I just love it when a girl takes your full rigidity just straight to the bone. Damn, dude, this is gonna be perfect. We're already like fucking pros at this. This is gonna be sick. Mark my words, nothing but perfection is coming out of this. Side skirt number 2. Already fixed.
Taper it.
Paper up. That's the beginning of the world's most disturbing country song. Shit. Gonna take a lot of bondage.
All right, I've got the chest cam on for this one. Gonna go for it, I guess. This shit is getting kind of hard now, which is good. While I'm doing this,
I wish you could fucking see the way Quentin is standing. He just fully is an amazing cinematographer. We're gonna be over here doing some of that business, getting all the rust off this bash bar.
probably blast that bad boy off.
Yeah.
All right, I don't know how much there is left to do, really. They got the wing. We've got these 2 fenders, which are honestly pretty good. There's a little bit of a mishap here that we'll have to Bondo. I don't think we'll have to fiberglass that. Yo, honestly, I think the fenders are good. I think the fenders are good.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit of Bondo on one of them, but no.
No fiberglass.
No fiberglass. Let me see if I can get on the cam. Oh yeah, dude, this stuff hardening up. This stuff's hardening up nice. Oh, baby. Forgot we had this whole ass fucking shit show of a bumper to do. Perhaps the most fucked up piece of fiberglass we have is this rear bumper.
Yeah, we somehow forgot the one.
Yeah, we can probably try to tape it.
Oh yeah.
I'll get it as close as possible and then just taper it. All right, we're hardening up over here. Oh shit.
Too hard?
We hard as fuck.
Oh yeah, that's the color we like.
You want to start cutting up some slabs for me, Cat?
Look at that. Give me some of that.
You smell it.
Something like that?
Yeah, just cover that hole. Well, maybe make it a little smaller, be easier to work with.
Looks like a fucking condom.
Yeah,
Your
but
finger.
Oh. I was like,
Yeah, I think this one's gonna need like layers though.
yeah, I was kind of.
This one's gonna be a minute to dry.
yeah. That's pretty much everything. We have the front bumper, but it's not sanded down yet, and it's there's also not really anything we need to
yeah, fix
fiberglass on that. Yeah, so if you guys are sitting in your living room at home and you're like, damn, if they knew how to do this properly, it would go so much better, then drop it down in the comments how we do it properly, and next time we do it, we'll do it properly. Because we are not capable of looking at the internet.
Yeah, we tried Googling once, didn't work out.
We are the people that provide the Google service.
Unfortunately, when people Google how to do shit, they find videos like ours. That's pretty fucked up.
Of us doing things for the first time ever.
Yeah, like, all right, here's how you do it. We've never done it before. Here's how you do it. Oh, fuck. Dude, I just touched this. It's hot. It's spicy.
Yeah, dude, it's like reacting.
It's like 1,000,000 degrees in there.
Oh, that's so weird.
That's crazy.
It's hot as fuck. It's gonna melt that glove. Why does it do that?
Chemicals, man. You never heard of them? Fucking, They're up to some shit, dude. I don't trust them.
We were filming all this, but then the camera died and fucked up all the footage. So we're gonna redo this. We can't do the tape reveal though, which is a bummer. The side skirt, that the entire front half got ripped off because the fender is attached to this part of the side skirt and the fender flew off. So it brought this like part of the side skirt with it. This is probably the least goodest one we done. The fiberglass hardened really well, just like everything else basically, but we kind of had it misaligned. Like you can see that should have been closed, kind of tweaked out this way a little bit, and then the bottom, oh, this one is actually not the bad one. This is kind of the good one, so it's all right. We're just gonna have to do some Bondo. Probably don't have to worry about the bottom too much because it's the bottom. Nobody will see that. Pretty flush, unlike the other side skirt, which I'm gonna get to.
The other one, however,
the other one is
so
very raised up.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to sand the shit out of this, Bondo it, sand it, Bondo it, sand it, Bondo it.
the back looks beautiful.
It does. Yeah. If only that was what everyone saw.
Standing on their own, they're
Yeah.
held together by their own
Exactly.
tensile strength, and
We got
so
this.
we can worry about making it look good later.
This is the first one we did before Kat told us to try the tape thing. This turned out really well. It's basically like flush with itself, almost perfect.
Yeah.
It hardened really well. And then this one is just a little bit off. It's a little overlapping on itself, but that will be an easy Bondo fix too. All of this is basically just prep for Bondo. However good or bad we do this is just gonna make Bondoing easier or harder. Easier or harder.
And then this guy, I wish we could do the tape reveal on this one because this was exciting.
This was
We'll
fun.
show the back
Oh,
first.
we can still do one more tape reveal.
One more tape reveal. Oh wow, it's beautiful.
What?
Yeah. Anyway, so the back, pretty good, very flush and all lined up and everything. We put a lot of tape into this one to make sure it held its shape while we fiberglass it. But the front,
Yeah,
dude,
because this one, me and DJ were talking about how like we were worried about how hard this was gonna be because basically the whole bumper is just like about to
shattered.
split in half.
Yeah, but this looks
Dope.
so like
The lines
just
all match up.
flush and beautiful, and this just like it has a big chunk of fiberglass that seeped through, but aside from that it just like feels like a fucking bumper. It's so
Yeah.
cool. So this one we're proud of.
This will be fun to Bondo too because it's all so flush already.
Yeah,
So we'll just run like a couple layers of Bondo and sandage over it, and then it should turn out pretty good, I think.
yeah, I think so too.
So overall, I'm pretty happy with the fiberglass day.
Like we said in the beginning, it's not perfect, but
Yeah.
that's not what we're aiming for. And
We
it's-
know it's not going to be perfect.
Yeah.
We know there's people who do this for a living that are obviously going to be better than us.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure we're better than those people who do it for a living. I think they should be paying us.
I think it's fun to do stuff like this where we're like actually kind of,
Learning a skill.
yeah. If we get good at it, we don't ever have to buy another kit.
Yeah,
is dope.
exactly. Yeah. It's like working on your own cars, man. Crazy how to like
Yeah.
do that. The other thing too, we didn't really get a ton of this done today, but well, we did, but there's a lot left. This thing is just so fun to clean up, and it's like looking so nice.
Yeah.
It's so satisfying to just go
This was
and
so nice.
rust just turns into shiny. And after the Bondo is like fully done, it's just we have a big smooth car we can put a wrap on.
Yeah.
So it's pretty much the last couple steps. We're over the hill. Well, I guess that's that.
That's that. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you to our patrons. Thank you for tuning in. We've been actually gaining some subscribers lately. 'Cause
Nice.
I think we've got like 5 videos in a row that are like every other day.
Cool, yeah.
Peace out. See you in the next vid.
Bye.
I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy cam. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh, yay, yeah, I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account. How many do you got? Bitch, you know I can't count. I just dropped a rack on a couple